I'm just gonna go in. In a sell. So I'll have my stop loss at that level. Take profit. I'm targeting that low. Looking at this short-term low. Okay. So I'm expecting this short-term low to be traded through. So I'm going to go in again. Good. And for this, I'll be targeting that level. That's a fair value gap. It's an imbalance. If we come back up, I'd like to see us trade not above this midpoint. I'd like to see this midpoint being respected. To focus on this. That small gap. That gap. You can see we formed a gap. The market came, touched it, came. We traded through. Gaps can be traded through easily, no problem. Then we had a rejection. Now I want to see this minor sell side taken out aggressively. That level. I want to see it taken out aggressively. So I'd like to see the market trade through it aggressively. Good. That's what I like to see. That's beautiful price delivery. So it's indicating to me we might even have a long-term sell. Might have a long-term sell. Now I can bring my stops to that level. I still have risk in the trade because this is my second entry. So I'm not yet convinced that I should bring my stop loss at this point because price can come back up and take me out. But I'm comfortable to leave this small risk open. So the minor sell side has been taken out. You can see we have a small gap at that level and we have this fair value gap. So I'd like to see the midpoint of that fair value gap being respected. Let's watch. So this is a sell side imbalance. Exactly. So that's the midpoint. So I'd like to see the bodies respecting the midpoint. It can trade to the high, but the best setup, this midpoint, the market should not trade above the midpoint. Should touch the midpoint and reject aggressively. So we took out the minor sell side and now we're moving up aggressively. But has the candle closed above this fair value gap? No, it has not yet. Let me increase the opacity. That's good. That's very beautiful. Can you see the rejection? The body has respected our inefficiency. So this is a good position to enter another trade. This the midpoint. But personally, I'm not going to enter. I'm comfortable with the two positions that I have. So once we take out my first take profit, I'll put my trades to break even.